Okay, so are you still enjoying your lesson? Can you show me your two thumbs up if you are enjoying our lesson? Okay, very good. Alright. So let's start with our last letter. It's letter D. Can you say D? Okay, very good. Alright, so let's start. Okay, let's say. Can you follow my lead? Okay. Alright, you ready? Okay. So I will ask you, is this your eraser? Okay, very good. Yes, it is. Alright, because of that, I will show you my happy face. You see him? He's so happy with the curve. Okay, can you show me your happy face? Okay, that's good. You're so awesome. Okay, so I will ask you again. Is this your, okay, pen? So, pen. Okay. Hold on for a moment. Okay, that's good. Yes. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so is this your pen? Okay, so you say no, it isn't. Alright, you're very, very awesome. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of colors in our lesson for tonight. Can you see them? Okay, very good. Can you give me some colors? So I have a crayon here. Okay, so can you give me some colors you see in our book? And then tell me if I'll let you know if I have those color. Okay. Alright. Okay. So you're doing so well. What? Yellow. Okay. So I have here the yellow color. It says joy. Can you say joy? Joy. Okay. Very good. Because of that, I have the happy face again. Okay. So let's start again. What else do you see? Okay, so we have the blue one. Let me find the blue one. Okay, here you go for the color blue. Very good. Okay, so what else? Green. Okay, so I think I got green here. All right, very good. So, with that, we will proceed with our next pictures. Are you ready? Can you show me your thumbs up if you're ready? Come on. Higher. Thumbs up. We're okay. We are the best. Okay. So you are very good. Because of that, I will show you Iron Man. You see? Okay. Very good. Alright, so with that, let's start. Can you say pen? Pen. Okay. Read my lips. Pen. Okay, very good. Pen. So next we have eraser. Can you say eraser? Okay, very good. So next we have a, what is this? Okay, what is this? It is a book. Okay, good. Next we have, what is number 4? This is, what is it? It is a marker. Can you say marker? Okay, very good. So we will erase the word marker here. Okay. Next we have, what is this? It is, okay, these are colors, correct. But what do we call these colors? Rainbow. Okay, very good. But they are crayons. Okay, so we have a rainbow crayons here. Okay, that's very good. So next we have, our last item is what? Okay, that is a ruler. Okay, ruler. Hold on. Ruler. Very good. Okay. Alright. So with that, our lesson for tonight is done. So you are very good and a very awesome student. So because of that, I'll show you my whiteboard with, what's this? Okay, good. It's Elsa. Do you like Elsa? Okay. So, who's your favorite? Is it Anna or is it Elsa? Okay, that's my favorite too. So, thank you for participating in our lesson for tonight. You've been a very, very, very good and very awesome student. And because of that, I'm giving you my excellent remarks. So you are very good. So thank you for booking into my lesson. I enjoyed it. I like that you always participate in our discussion and you are very active. And because of that, we have been happy here. So we have been happy teaching you, and I want to see you grow more by reading um, stories, books. So you can also learn more about, colors by um, completing a coloring book. So next time we will do that. But for now, our class is done and you did pretty well. Because of that, I am so very, very, very happy. Okay? So you are very good. You are very awesome. And I will see you next time. Okay? So before before our classes, let's sing our last song. Okay, so it goes like this. Hello, 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 how do you do? I'm fine to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Hello, 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 how do you do? I'm fine to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Okay, very good. So next time, we will sing it before our class, okay? Because of that, we'll learn a new song. So tomorrow, we'll have a new one, okay? Alright, very good. Bye-bye. I'll see you again next time. Bye. I'll see ya. Have a nice night. Good night. Okay, bye.